Welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud and AI Analytics. Hope everyone is doing good. I am Viknesh, and in this video we are going to explore what are the different types of cloud computing out there. So before starting, if you have not seen my previous video, I'll give the link of that video explaining you what is cloud and why cloud platform. Please take a look at it as well. And without any further delay, let's get started. So what is types of cloud computing? Basically, there are four types of cloud computing. One is private cloud, the next one is public cloud, the third one is hybrid cloud, and the latest one is multi cloud. So what is private cloud? A private cloud is typically defined as everything behind a company's wall. So private cloud is something which is used only for the particular organization. It will be not that services will not be exposed to public internet, or the service will not be exposed out of that company's wall. That is what the private cloud is. And the next one is public cloud. So the public cloud is something which is used across the internet, like which is the services will be used across the internet, and people will be able to uh, get those services, and they will be paying only for whatever the service they are using. So the popular cloud platforms are Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and AWS. The next one is hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud deployment most typically describes a situation in which companies operating both private cloud and a public cloud. In general, a hybrid cloud environment, the private and public services are integrated with one another. So hybrid cloud is something where we will be able to use both private cloud as well as public cloud also. So that is what the hybrid cloud is. And the latest one, the last one is, which is of the latest bus in the cloud platform, that is multi-cloud. So in our use case, if in our use case, if you are using more than one cloud platform, so both Azure and GCP, or both Azure or AWS, or both AWS and Google Cloud Platform, if that is the case, then it is known as a multi-cloud platform. A multi-cloud strategy is an approach that operates any combination of private, public, and hybrid cloud. It doesn't involve only private public platforms alone. It also involves private cloud also. So it involves a combination of private and multi-cloud, like GCP, Azure. It involves a combination of private, more than two public clouds also. If that is the case, then it is known as multi-cloud. An organization may have multiple public and private clouds, or multiple hybrid clouds also, all either connected together or not. So this is what the multi-cloud is. So basically, a private cloud, which is for organizations operating on a private network. There are two types of private cloud. One is hosted private clouds. The other one is internal private clouds. So hosted private cloud is which is offered by third-party cloud provider. In this case, let it be IBM. So those are like kind of a third hosted private clouds. IBM, which is hosting for its organization, or it's for partnered organizations. So the next one is internal private cloud, which are managed and maintained by an organization internally. So that is the organization itself might have created the cloud platform, and they will be using for their use case alone. So the next one is public cloud. So, and this is owned by providers like Amazon, Google, or Microsoft. So these are the um, public cloud platforms. So IBM cloud is not it is not, we can't create a tag as a private cloud alone, like it is part of public cloud also. And they provide cloud computing model or cloud computing infrastructures for individuals like ourselves. Like for example, if you wanted to learn GCP services, or if you wanted to learn AWS services, or businesses, like for individual purposes, or also for enterprise level for business purposes also. So to give an example, like public cloud, you might see like Microsoft Azure, AWS, GCP are the very popular public cloud platforms. And for for private cloud, we have IBM. You can give IBM, and you can give Red Hat, VMware Engine. There are many other cloud platforms also out there for private. So the next is hybrid cloud. From the name itself, it is just a combination of both private and public cloud. So the third one is multi-cloud. So environment which consists two or more public cloud, or two or more public cloud, or two or more public cloud with private cloud. So that is what we call it as multi-cloud platform. Here from the diagram itself, it is very clear. So this is what the types of cloud computing, and this is what the types of cloud computing options available in cloud platforms. So that's it for this session. In the next session, I will explain you why do we use cloud and what does it makes an impact, what impact does the cloud makes. So we'll talk about that in the next video in this playlist. If you have any questions or any doubts, please post in the comment section. I'll take a look at it and reply to it as soon as possible. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to Cloud and AI Analytics, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. I'll meet you in the continuation of this video. Until then, it's bye from Vignesh. Happy learning. Thank you.